Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand video. If you want future trading signal, must join our Telegram group because we will provide daily 10 to 15 signal and you will be print money like machine. Our signal is too much fast and in minutes they are making 100% 200% profit, so must join. Okay, in last 24 hour, if we will look my whether you can see your hook is 0.58% increasing, but it's happened because of my whether all market was in uptrend. That's why we will see the market keeps so 0.58%. Everybody remember to when you take any entry, you must watch the volume. So right now you can see the volume is 9.66%, just and only decreasing. It is nothing, it will be start recovering. So that's why you can see here it will we will be see one huge pump in this coin. But if you look this all-time condition or whether so it was look like in downside. If we will see this time the BTC was much high, so therefore I strongly recommend you to kindly if you see that this time the last 24-hour current condition it was a breakout, and of course whether you can see here it was retesting, and I expected one huge pump again. So that's why I strongly recommend it is a big chance and good opportunity to take an entry and hook, and of course long it for a long time. I'm sure you will be making crazy profit, but we will provide a very quality and quick signal. So therefore link is in the description. Must join our Telegram group.